Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to download Gauthmath. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Play Store on your mobile phone. And if you have an Apple device, you can navigate to App Store. After this, click on the search icon and search for Gauthmath. Click on Gauthmath and you will see this search result that says Gauth AI Study Companion. Now, click on the install button under this app. So on this page, you will see the reviews, the downloads and the screenshots of this app. Now, if you scroll down, you can see the ratings of this application, and in order to download it, click on the install button just right here. Now, after you click on install, Gauthmath AI will start getting installed on your mobile device. So you'll have to wait, and after the installation gets finished, you will see an open button just right here. Click on that button and click on agree and continue. Then click on continue again, and you'll be logged into your Gauthmath application pretty easily. So that's how you download Gauthmath. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.